Okay, let's see how much money we actually made. Hey everyone, this is Grace from Kapwing, and today I'm going to be showing you our YouTube analytics dashboard and reveal just how much money we made from YouTube in the month of June. The world of YouTube creators and monetization can be private so much of the time, but we think being transparent about being YouTube creators ourselves can help other people understand the black box that YouTube can be. We also donate 100% of our YouTube earnings to a different organization every month, so stay tuned to see what organization we donated June's earnings to. Lastly, we want to cater these videos to you. We're going to make a video like this every month, so let us know what you want to learn more about related to YouTube analytics or the behind the scenes of running a YouTube channel. Now let's get into it. Okay, so here's our analytics dashboard. It's pretty standard, and as you can see, our revenue for June was $779.17. We got 265,000 views on all our videos, and that translated to a watch time amount of 5,500. So that's a lot of hours of watch time. And we increased our subscribers by 987. Our top videos were these ones. It seems like the videos that do best are timely. So the Vogue challenge was a trending challenge that on Instagram, TikTok, that was happening. We made this because we saw it was trending, and I guess we caught it at the right time because that video, which we made during June, it got almost 42,000 views within June itself. Definitely jumping on those trends seems to be a good way to reach people. We saw this in the last video. We talked about how to edit Zoom backgrounds and calls. Those videos did really well, and that was because people were looking for that kind of content. Some of these other ones though, like the download videos from Twitter, remove TikTok watermarks, Discord emojis, these are more evergreen content. So I think those ones people are always going to be looking for that kind of stuff, as long as TikTok is still around, that is. All right, so in terms of our reach, one of the really important analytics I'd say is the click-through rate. So this is how many people see the thumbnail of a video and click it. This is basically all just judging the book by its cover, and that's why those thumbnails are so important. Apparently we went up 15% in June for our click-through rate, and 8.1% for across the whole channel seems to be pretty good. Obviously this varies very much by the video, and this bump is definitely when we put out the Vogue challenge video. Yeah, you can see that it was put out and then just caused a huge increase. Another interesting part of our analytics is where people are coming from. So a lot of our traffic seems to be coming from Google itself. So 52.4% of people are searching something on Google and then coming to our video. Creating content that people are searching for seems to be a really good way to gain views. And I mean, I guess that's what optimizing your content is. So using the right tags and the title and the subject of your video is super important for optimizing that. Probably the more interesting part is the revenue. There's a lot of mystery around people's revenue on YouTube, and we want to try and open it up more, which is why we make these kinds of videos. We made almost $800 in June alone. More interesting than that is digging into where those numbers come from. So YouTube actually just released a new metric. This is the RPM, which stands for revenue per mil, and that is how much on average you are earning. You, the creator, are earning per 1,000 views on your videos. So this was a metric that wasn't available for a long time, and I know in the last video Robert had to calculate it himself to just figure out how much money we were actually making per 1,000 views. So $2.94 per 1,000 views. Apparently we're going up by 19% since compared to May. A different metric that was always kind of around was the playback-based art CPM. So CPM stands for cost per mil. That's how much the advertisers are paying per 1,000 monetized playbacks. So this doesn't include non-monetized views. The RPM is so much lower than the CPM because YouTube takes 45% of the ad revenue from your videos. Over time though, it seems like we're making more money. So April we started monetization. It was only $284 that month. And in May we made way more than that, of course, because it's a full month. And in June, we made a little bit more than that. So this could also correlate with coronavirus. People are indoors watching, doing more content creation stuff. So I guess we'll see if that trend continues over time. In terms of our top earning videos, it looks like the Vogue challenge was definitely very high. So that video alone brought in almost $200, which is kind of wild. The next popular ones were Zoom videos. So creating Zoom-based or like remote working-based content seems to be a good win. So going into the Vogue challenge video analytics more, we can see that actually this estimate shows over $200 already made on this video. We actually increased by almost 100 subscribers just from this video. People who watch this video and click subscribe. And it seems like this is still kind of something people are looking at. So in the past 48 hours, there's been 600 views, which is obviously not a huge number compared to our overall almost 50K views, but still being looked at and noticed. I guess when the trend was super popular, the click-through rate was almost 30%, which is 30% of people are seeing this thumbnail and clicking it. That's really high. And obviously over time, as it becomes less of a trend, just gone down, but still pretty good. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, we monetize our channel not to make money from it, because our business is actually getting creators to use our product. Our product is generally free to use, but we do offer subscriptions which cost money. That's how we sustain our business. We monetized our YouTube channel so we could use the money and provide it to other organizations to support causes we care about. Last month, we donated our May earnings from YouTube to the San Francisco Marin Food Bank. We're happy to announce that for our June YouTube revenue of $779.17, we donated all of it to the Black Trans Femmes in the Arts Collective. They aim to connect Black trans women and non-binary people in the arts and support their creative pursuits. Here's Jordan on why she founded the BTFA Collective.
I created this collective because I was working on getting my master's in art politics, and I was constantly asking the question, what is a Black trans art politics? But being that I was in such an academic, white-centric space, I didn't have access to the community and I wasn't connected to the community in the way that I needed to be to get the work done. Although the Black trans femmes that are working in the arts are already a community, I think having a structure that organizes us and a place where we can all come and get support, and also up-and-coming girls can say, oh, there's something that exists that I can be a part of. I want to be able to allow people the space to live in the arts and through the arts.
We're putting the link to the BTFA Collective's donation page below, so you can also go and donate if you want. The Arts Business Collaborative also has a ton of other awesome sponsored projects which you can donate to, so go check them out. I hope this video was informative and interesting. If it was, drop us a like. Make sure to subscribe because it really supports our channel. We're going to be doing a video like this every single month where we'll show you our analytics for the month and then also announce what organization we're donating to. So if you have suggestions for organizations, please let us know. Also let us know what other behind the scenes or analytics related things you'd like to see in the future. See you guys next time.